Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, look at me. You made it.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Alright man, let me keep it a buck with y'all real quick before we get into today's video. Today's video that you're about to watch is actually extra footage that I had another folder that I forgot to add to yesterday's video. That was all supposed to be one big video, but I forgot to add the footage. I wouldn't say forgot, I actually lost the footage, and then I found it in another folder because you guys know that I've been hitting to y'all, telling y'all stuff's coming up, and things are going on, and I got videos scattered everywhere, and it's just, you know, like I got 20 videos that y'all haven't seen yet. And yeah, as I'm getting ready to edit this, I'm like, oh shit, found some extra footage. So instead of not using it, I'm gonna test something. You guys know that your boy don't usually post on Saturdays, and today I'm about to edit this, which is Friday night. Yeah, and I'm gonna be dropping this tomorrow morning. So it's gonna be a Saturday post. I wanna see how the engagement is on here. I wanna see how we looking for a Saturday post. I never really post on Saturdays because according to my analytics, everyone's out, y'all are all busy. I know tomorrow we got the Ryan Garcia fight versus Haney and all that, and people are gonna be watching the fight. So I'm not sure how this video is gonna do, but it'll be a nice little filler to test out and see how things are looking. Maybe I can start posting more on Saturdays, but I usually post on every Sunday. But yeah, we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see how this does. But yeah, this footage I forgot to add in, but I feel like it's gonna be useful for some of my C5 people. So yeah, here we are with the motherfucking lost files that got found in a random folder titled as Folder 17. Wow, I have no clue, but yeah, enjoy today's little filler Saturday tester video thing we got going on. Don't hate me for this, I'm sorry. I didn't intend to do this on purpose. I lost footage and I'm just trying to make it work and making something out of it. So hopefully you guys enjoy, hopefully y'all don't hate me. Happy Saturdays to everybody if you're watching this. I love y'all greatly. Let's get into today's video. Hi, what's good my peoples? It is the next day. We ended up getting held up by rain. But new day, so we're about to try to finish knocking this out. Today we should be having the headlights installed and possibly switching out these front bumper lights. And then that is pretty much gonna complete the aesthetics. I have my wing on the way. Also got something top secret that I'll talk to y'all about once that gets here, but we ain't gonna mention it right now. We're just gonna wait for it to come. And then I do have the front wide body on the way. So we are waiting for some more parts. But anywho, let's get back to white errands. What's good? Day 2.
Yeah. Lights today. Lights today ain't gonna give me trouble like yesterday. Get up. Light pops on.
Oh yeah, looks good.
I still need to get one more can, dude, to get around here.
Bruh.
I got 2 more cans.
Buy more.
3 cans.
Less trips and then go return it.
3 cans.
You can even almost use half of it and then still return it. Just clean the tip.
3 cans. I was for sure 2 more cans would have gotten the front part. But
looks good.
Good, huh?
Yeah. It's the rubbery shit, right?
Yeah. Still drying a little bit.
Bed liner?
Yeah.
Yeah. I use a lot of stuff on valve covers and my old turbos on the SE.
Part of it?
Which one's that? Those are the front bumper lights.
Okay.
Slam it.
Gonna slam my car.
That's why Aaron just claims all the C5s.
I do. Wait, we did these ones?
Yeah, we did these before. We did them on my last C5. These are the exact same lights.
Oh yeah, okay.
These are the good ones, not the cheapy ones.
Yeah, right. Oh yeah.
Hey, they stepped it up. Last time I didn't have that boot.
Yeah. It's cute.
Breast pump.
Right.
All right, the disassembling has started.
That's the worst part of it.
This is like huge though. These lights suck so bad. I'm like constantly flickering between high and low beams, and even the high beams don't work that great. Last time, bro, it was like a stadium.
Right.
gonna start hosting baseball and football games with these lights. And for the few people that do know that I have this car, since I haven't unveiled it, people were asking like, why don't I do the triple LED circle or square bulbs? And honestly, I think it looks ugly. I'm not a fan of it because like without the bezels and stuff, when it's sleepy eyed, you just see all this. Like it doesn't look closed off. Like maybe if it was closed off and looked neat, then I'd be more inclined to want to run the triple LED setup. But it just looks so empty and incomplete without the corner bezel and all that on there. Just sees hella open space, so it kind of looks tacky. So I decided to go with this that has like a clean OEM finish, but these are like by far, like honestly, some of the brightest lights that I've ever seen on a vet. Like, and I've been around a lot of vets, and these are like by far brighter. They are a little bit more expensive than the triple LED setup, but honestly, I think the light output's better. You have a super nice cutoff line, so if you want that clean, just super bright, functional look, then these are the way to go. If you're going for like that sleepy eye look, then you could do the LEDs, but like I said, it just looks tacky with all the shit missing off of it that I'm not a fan of. Well, that was short-lived. Randomly started coming down hella hard.
We're doing indoor things today.
Bench testing.
Right.
Look, now the rain's slowing down after it just wet the ground up.
Yeah.
All right, so these are gonna be the new little front turn signal lights and shit. These ones that were on there. And then these ones are full LED, blacked out like the rest of the lights.
Oh yeah.
So this is one of Aaron's neighbors right here. He came by. This thing is fucking beautiful. I actually met him at Saks Beach Shop.
You should, yeah.
Bruh. Man, this thing is sexy, dude. And it sounds so good. What's this thing making? It has to be like 900 at least. 840. I was gonna say they got the Kong lid on there, everything. It's on E. Man, this is so clean. I love this color too. He came by and he had brakes. I was like, dude, I just bought the freaking brakes for this. If he would've came a day ago. Like a day ago, man. This thing's so beautiful though. So sexy, man. Ugh. Goals right here. That thing's sexy as shit. Hey, at least he's G came by to tell you, like, man, your neighbor's some haters, bro.
Oh yeah. I got a couple good ones to look out for sure.
Like, he understands. He's like, bro, y'all could be out here robbing houses and stuff. It's like y'all ain't even bothering nobody. Like, facts. So what happens when you move to this kind of area and you got Karens that move next door to you?
Right. Alaskan Karens.
Hey, imagine if we did one of those, like, hey, pull up right here and rev and do burnouts.
That's coming.
All right, here we go. Headlights, everything all done. Got everything centered back up. That was probably the biggest issue, was just centering the shit back up.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead, let's show them. Oh, look, hold on, turn signals. Woo!
Turn signals?
Turn signals working. Woof!
They're bright.
Yeah, they're hella bright.
Bright.
Turn the high beams off. And then right there, just the HIDs on. High beams again. And then dual high beams with the HIDs. High beams off. And then just HIDs. Close them. Woo! Hold on, lights on one more time. Look at that, all LEDs right here. LEDs. So right now what
All the way around.
Yes, all LEDs, full LED conversion. So what we are noticing though is, I guess there's not a lot of load on the circuits, or cut the lights off. And watch, hit the switch. Sometimes it doesn't want to open back up. You actually got to pull them back. It's working now because it's acting right on camera.
Yeah.
But yeah, with the full LED conversion, I don't think it's just probably needs like a resistor or something on there. I do have the resistor to get rid of the hyper flash. Maybe that'll help, but I ain't really too worried about it. I don't mind the hyper flash. Just let niggas know, like, hey, I'm turning in your lane. I'm turning in your lane. Hell yeah.
Sick.
All right, what's good? We back. It is finally nighttime. A few hours in past, and I want to give y'all one last look at this thing with the new lights and the dark, so we can see how it looks. It's gonna be my first time seeing it in the dark. Shit, it's gonna be Nita's first time seeing the new lights, period. So yeah, let's see what these things look like. Pretty sure we're still gonna have to level them all out. Maybe it'll do that thing I was talking about earlier. See if it'll, oh, actually has a nice cutoff beam. Jeez. That is hella bright. I might not have to level them. They look like they're a little low, but might be just right, honestly. Here, come this way. So she ain't looking directly at those lights because they're hella bright. Look at these tail lights. Woof. Hella bright.
Yeah, they look good.
So now it has the circle halos with the line through them. And then we got the little line right there. Matches up with those. Hold on, let me turn the hazards on, because y'all ain't got to see the pattern yet. So this is how it looks with the brake lights when you hit them. Stupid bright. And then you can see the new turn signals. They actually have a sequence that they follow. God, these lights are hella bright. Hella modern. Look at that sequence. Whew. Bruh, this is extremely bright. Close the garage real quick. Yeah, close the garage. I'll open it back up. This looks good. Ooh. Bruh. Oh yeah, you can see the cutoff. It's a nice cutoff line. Those are just the low beams and highs. It's pretty sick.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65. I'm about